Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
It is what it is.
They're not the play and do. I see not do the 6 months exclusive women do.
Actually, no. I can't. I still do breastfeed her. But you know my schedule, I'm just gonna worry her. Because if you look at me now, yesterday I was shooting the whole day. I went home like very late. So yeah, the reason why I yes, because we don't want to show her now. So, but sometimes I do pump.
So you've not taken Island out yet with you?
No.
And that's a policy from home, like Island should be home.
Yeah, she doesn't even step out of her room.
But why are you putting so much stress on you when El Chemano can take care of everything? Why are you still, like fella Makafui, still being that lady who doesn't want to even rest?
Oh, I mean, it's just nice when the woman is also stable and the man is also stable. That's how it's been before we even got married. So I don't see any reason why I should stop. Because I love money. He loves money. So I have to work for it.
One thing I know is that when two celebrities get married, oftentimes the lady will give way for the guy to soar, whilst the ladies will take care of the family. But you are still doing everything pair to pair with him. You guys are still rubbing shoulders with going for the deals.
I'm someone that I'm very determined, and I always go for whatever I want. So if I tell you my schedule, you'll be shocked. I still do everything as a wife, as a mother, as an entrepreneur. I do everything. When I wake up, I see to it that my husband is okay, my daughter is okay. I step out, I come back, make dinner. I mean, I do everything.
Is it insecurity that maybe one day when he's not around, you should be able to fend for yourself and Island, and maybe whoever will be added later?
No. It's just nice and feels good when you, the woman, is also stable in the marriage or the relationship. I don't see any reason why you should depend solely on your husband.
Now, sorry, I'm interested in this because, like I said, you people are power couples. You are the envy of so many young people. You are telling us you are busy. I know El Chemano too is busy. So how do you guys, at what time do you guys even talk? Like when you have friendship?
Okay, now this happened to be two people that don't like going out. I'm not everywhere. Sorry, I'm not seen everywhere. It's not like I mature or something. I'm just that kind of person that I just like my space. You know, when I'm not working, I'm not in my office. I'm just home spending time with my husband. He also doesn't like going out unless it has to be a show or work or something. Aside that, we're home having fun.
Oh, okay. So it's not as if you guys are too busy. You don't even get.
Oh no. Time there we have our own bosses, so we create the time. Yes.
I think I saw a tweet not long ago from you where you were saying your husband works so much. At 3 a.m. he's working. Were you disturbed about that attitude?
Never. I can never be. Of him because I feel like anybody or your surrounding needs to work. They need to motivate you one way or the other. That's why I choose my friends or anybody that I have to mingle with. I choose them like I have to be very careful of who I'm mingling with, because if you're around me, you need to motivate me one way or the other, because I'm someone who could call you at night that, yo, I just got this idea, how we could do one. Yeah, that's me. So my husband is someone who works all the time. He's always at home. If it's not work, he's home recording. I meet all his friends, his colleagues that come home. We record in the studio because the studio is at home. So we're always working. That's how I was pregnant. I was in the studio. Like if I'm not upstairs watching a movie or doing something, I'm just with them, you know. And he records sometimes like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. And sometimes I'll just leave him. I'm like, baby, meet him, record out. Then I'll just go. They'll be like, baby, I'll be there soon, I'll be there soon. I'm used to it. I mean, you.
So that treat, you were not complaining. You were rather
congratulating him, telling him how much he motivates me. Yes. Yeah.
Now, talking about the studio being in your home and the fact that Chairman too has friends, like top friends.
Yes.
Is there privacy there?
Yes, of course there is. There is much 100% privacy.
How do you achieve that? When the studio is there, boys would want to come, drink, eat.
I mean, it's not always
your
that
kitchen,
the boys
they
come.
want to come and eat from your kitchen.
No, we don't do that. I mean, even though everyone knows their boundaries, yeah, nobody gets to my kitchen.
Oh, I see. So when they come to the studio
is a room, like has a door, so that's where it's supposed to be. So I serve you with whatever you want. Yeah.
What is your favorite medical song so far?
I mean, most of the songs. So.
But I know one will kill you. Like you hear that one and you are even getting wet. Sorry, you are getting gaga. That's what I mean.
Okay. I like this recent one with JB and
Chris
Waddle.
La Hustle.
I like La Hustle, and I like the other one, this recent one.
Akuapem.
What?
Street code or something.
No. Oh, I was playing it just now. You just put me on the spot. Akuapem. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, he was on it. He likes the song. Yeah.
Are you able to sing along La Hustle? I do know the lyrics of all the lines in there.
Hey, you are asking me this question. It's like you want me to sing go.
I say only. That we are doing it next.
Next time.
Next time. La Hustle because we want to live comfortable, and I believe that is why you also love La Hustle.
Yes.
Yeah.
Have you seen my phone case? It's a
Dollar.
I have a tattoo. Dollar. Sorry. Yes.
Where is that?
Oh, it's here.
On your arm.
Yeah.
He's on
Any
it.
other place again?
No, please.
Only on your arm.
Yes.
Maybe I thought there were some special places that only Chairman sees. Not yet.
Yes.
The dollar is only on the hand. The hand I used to collect the dollar.
Yes. So that when I wake up to motivate me, I'll see the dollar. I'll be like, hey.
You have to chase
I
it.
have to chase it.
Now you started music some way somehow during the lockdown. You were giving us some hip hop song. You much on that speaker.
What is that good yet?
And then there's so. I
Oh.
swear. Especially the way you were dancing. You say you get some swag when it comes to dancing.
Oh, it's my husband. Oh.
Oh, what does he do?
He actually said I should do it. I mean, it's for the fun of it. You know, when we are home and you know the mood is there, we actually like fool a lot. We play around a lot, and so we're just in the studio, and then we're like, baby, do something. That was how it all started. Yeah.
So you were not actually planning to, but you started on a different YouTube channel, innit?
No, I have my own personal
YouTube,
channel.
yeah.
I don't know if someone else have created some, but I have my own.
Okay, because at that time when you were releasing those songs, I thought you were going to release it via medical channels, but
Oh, it was my
Yeah.
channel.
that's why I thought that okay, then you are starting
Something serious. Oh, the
The
music is for him, the acting is for him.
I see. So the two you did was just to shake us small bit. I see. Now let's talk about Fela Makafui as a brand influencer.
Yes, please.
So for how many deals have you signed? How many brands are you an ambassador for?
Hey, Richie, there are quite many.
In general, so far.
In general, like the ones you are still on.
For even last year, I have influenced, if I'm not lying, would it,
59. 59, yeah.
50, yeah. I've been working. I told you when I was pregnant, I was working back and forth.
Yeah.
Yes. So I was influencing a lot of brands. I don't know who follows me on Snapchat, but you see, yeah, I'm always working back and forth.
And has it been very moderate or expensive dealing with the Fela brand?
Oh, and so we pocket, but yes, like you have to be okay.
Yeah.
You need to the money.
You have to prepare well. What is the biggest deal you've signed so far?
Biggest.
Which of the organizations here?
Okay, Crystal Galaxy #1.
Yeah.
Casa Perpetual.
Yeah.
Huawei. Which you have to help me. Pad.
Yeah. Carnival.
Yeah.
Amounting to about $100,000.
Close.
Oh, close. But Sika Sika from the brand. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Especially last year, me influencing people's brand. I've made a lot of cash. Yes.
Now, still on the wine shop you opened some weeks ago.
Yes.
I knew you had one here at East Legon, and you moved it to the new place.
Yes.
I thought that looking at all the brands you're influencing and the money you are making, you would not even bother opening a wine shop, but I still went ahead to open it. What motivated you to restart again that business?
I mean, I love doing that business, and it's probably because of the capital I make from it. So I can't stop. And
it's 100% a Fela-owned organization or business?
Yes. Anything that I put my name on it is mine. So
what other thing do you owe as Fela?
I have a boutique called Dress Shop right beside it. I have another shop at East Legon, opposite the Prudential Bank. We sell handmade outfits as well. I have another company that I don't want
to know about it.
Yes. Another one.
I see. A guy is interested in who writes for you. So let me clear that before we move on to even the next business.
The song?
As in the songs you did, who wrote them for you?
Oh, I wrote it myself.
You wrote all those songs yourself? Then it means you have something.
Then you have the talent.
I said, I don't have the time. Maybe
as a studio, how now so TB?
Oh, and here Debbie and I go. I mean, what's mine, I need to focus more on it. When I mean the talent is not there, I don't mean that I can't do it. I can do it if I focus on it, but me to act in the air media you know, you can have a couple of talents, but where the over so where the hands down. To act in the air media
Well, we'll be talking about acting. Who suggested the name Island for your daughter?
Okay, truth to be told, my husband.
And why is she the only daughter all you guys are going to have? Because when Island comes to mind, that's what I like. Okay, maybe she's going to be the only daughter. That's why she says I'm Island.
I mean, who knows? I might be pregnant now, or anything can happen. Surprise, I'm a married woman here. Oh, what's the meaning?
4 months behind, you're carrying another one.
Maybe I'm afraid of my village. Oh,
they do it quick.
They give you a clue.
Then now you will sound.
So Island, like, why Island?
Oh, we are very weird couples. We don't like to do big idea obiaye. And then Island, we just feel like, you know, we're special. Island came out of love, pure love. And she's special to us. You know, just Island, what's it? And one side, special, beautiful, yeah. Yes.
That was the inspiration.
Yes.
I see. And recently, I think I read a story on SammyFlexTV.com where they wrote that you are saying you want to start either schools in the name of
Yes,
island.
yes. I bought a land.
Oh, you bought the land already?
Yes. I have started doing the wall and all of that.
You are building a school in the name of island.
I'm still contemplating if I should build a school or a hostel.
A school or a hostel?
Yeah, in the name of my daughter.
And this is a Fela Makafui, not as in Medi Fela deal.
Oh no, the ones that we're doing together too. But this is for me to my daughter.
Wow.
Because I don't want her to suffer like I did.
Why you suffered?
Oh yes.
But people don't see, like, they don't have any records of a Fela Makafui or a friend Fela Makafui.
Just the same way we don't see. That's how you don't see mine, because there's no way I'm gonna go to Kantamantu and post it on Snapchat or Instagram. You only see the results. So it's left to you to believe it or not. Yes.
So there's a story that the young people should know before they envy your current lifestyle.
Yeah.
Of course, I mean the people that used to follow me should know this thing by now, because in the last years I did mention of the things that I've been through.
I see. Not long ago online, we saw a skit. If I remember the name, it was called Fries.
Yes.
You and Medical were featured in that skit.
Yes.
What was it about?
It's actually my production. Yes, I have a movie production house. So that's my first short film that I shot last year. Was it last year or last 2 years?
Last 2 years.
Yes. Okay. So we have a script that we're supposed to shoot last year, but because of COVID, so we have to do it this year. As I'm talking to you, my team, they're working so hard. Next week, I'm starting my production. Yes.
That is the Fela Makafui production.
Yes, please.
I know there is an upcoming TV series, and tell us about it. What are we to know? Who is involved? What is the story?
Okay, so I mean, we had to put a whole lot of projects on hold because of family, baby, COVID, and all of that. I have a couple of projects that I'm going to be working on this year. I have a series, cast ready. We're still going to do more audition to get more people. My team is ready, on standby. I think location 80%. So they're working. I even spoke to one of the production house members this morning before I got it.
Now, coming from the yellow background, what is the story you are going to tell in your television series and the production you're about to do?
This is something different, because initially we wanted to do something that the people used to, but now we're changing it. Yes, we're doing something different. I like challenging myself. So.
Well, when you say something different, what do you actually mean?
I mean, the truth of the whole thing is that we wanted to build up the character, Sewa. Yeah, but one or two things, so we have to switch up.
Were you forcing Medical to act too? Because in that skit we saw, Medical was acting in there when he gave you some little slap. I remember very well.
Oh, no. I don't believe the saying force. No, you can't force any person to do something for you.
But that's what I'm asking.
I mean, yeah. I gave him the script. I said, okay, baby, this is the storyline. Can you play the role? He said, yes, why not? And that was it.
So you, if at the moment someone has interest in acting, can they contact the Fela Makafui production to be part of?
Yes, we have a production page on Instagram, and then they can contact my manager. But I mean, we're gonna be soon on my social media platform and my manager as well. When it goes.
Are you involving the industry, the top industry people? Because actually you're going to do not long ago, Lorraine did something where he featured almost everyone there. Is your case going to be like that, or you are going to be different?
When I launched my production house, I made mention of helping, should I say giving the platform to young ones like me, because I know how it feels like to, get someone to help you build your career, like your talent. So I just want to give the chance to the young ones to also be part of it, because if we keep using the old faces all the time, how is the upcoming ones also gonna have the platform? So I mean, the old ones will pass through, but the new ones will be more.
What is going to be your role? Are you going to be like say a director or still main character in the productions?
Because I have the whole picture in my mind and all of that, I wouldn't want to direct. Even though I'll be supporting the team and all of that, I would want to give that position to the directors who handle. I'm going to be just the executive producer and still an actor in the movie.
I see. Now let me come to my people. We're still having special conversation with beautiful actress Fela Makafui. She told us the music thing was just a passing through. So all those guys who were expecting some more songs from her, relax. She'll come back to you. Tilly, you are the lady here. Maybe you can put one or two. I'm not done with her though. I'm just involving so that you guys don't feel down. Come through and I'll follow up with some other questions as well.
Yeah, I didn't go to the thing I want to talk about.
I'm not feeling you in your mic. Get closer.
I'm not even feeling the thing. It's not the holding, it's not holding the way I like to hold it. Yeah, so I'm saying that one thing she spoke about was her production and the fact that she has the mental idea of what she wants her story to be, she's relegating that role to a director and then remain the actress that she is in the hammer, which is one thing I think a lot of people should try and emulate, because sorry to say mediocrity in the movie industry, it's mostly because those people who put in money think they have the right. Because me na me sika shame, yes, executive producer person, you are an actress, stick to the acting, let's shine so that the director too can also get the chance to do the magic they can do on the work. It's not because you go on certain sets, the people, one person or your director or your actor or your costumier or your continuity or whatever they call it, he's everything some because one, she cannot do be a so it doesn't make us see, where like if you focus say two heads are better than one. Maybe you are seeing something to one direction, the way another person sees it, two heads putting together, one picture, how they come together, it's a full picture, it's a nice picture. So that I must commend her on that's knowing her place and trying to make that work and then relegating stuff to others to do. Now,
but can I? Okay. Basami, you know what here in this life or in Africa, because of the less support we get, it makes any producer or any shareholder or executive producer of whatsoever gets involved in whatever they're doing. Now, shooting a movie, we all know it's not easy. Putting in a lot of money, you need to make sure that whatever you're doing, the outcome is just. Because you can't just sit back. I mean, I've worked with some few people that I'm telling myself that if it's my production, I wouldn't work with you or I wouldn't employ you to work for me. Because if before we start the movie, we plan that, okay, you know what, let's use 1 month to finish this movie. And then we come on the set, you're just there like that, it's taking us like 2 months to shoot a movie, and then each and every day you have to feed whoever that comes on the set. You need to pay them. So I sometimes feel, I cannot understand the producers or the executive producers if they get so much involved in the production, because it's their work, it's their job. Just as some designers, they don't sew, but they are always them, because at the end of the day, it's your brand. If I shoot a movie right now and the movie doesn't come out well, it's my name.
That's true.
They're gonna say, okay, Fela Makafui short film that she produced Crampono and now you get me. The critics is gonna come to me, not the production team. So sometimes when the people get involved in their work, it's because of the capital that they are putting in. But I mean, it's hard for someone like me. Okay, me there, I know that my position is an actress, but I'll not come on set and give you a position as a director and then you just be delaying my set. Of course, I'm going to put you in your place because it's my money. At the end of the day, you come to me to take money for food, for this and for that. What I say, no matter how much rich you are, you're surely going to complain. You get me? So
It is what it is.
Okay, yeah. So I get that point. I mean, everybody wants to be hands-on wherever their money is going.
Yeah.
Obviously, like it's understandable. But I think the point I was trying to establish is doing something when you know you don't have the capability or the the knowledge to do it, simply because you put in the money to change your director, because all this kind of shame, knowing very well you don't have the wherewithal to do it.
Okay.
That is where the point is. So no, she knows her strength as an actress. She could have just given that role to somebody else, but she knows that yes, it is my movie. This role I can edit. Sometimes I am from a theater background. When you are writing scripts, you have they call it typecasting. You have people in your mind that you know they can execute this role properly. It's all try when you say role way there, some like you put our role way. So sometimes when you're writing, you are fortunate or quite unfortunate to be the actress too. Sometimes you know your strength as a person, and there are some scripts that it comes to you. Some people get it through dreams. So send you in your script, there are some roles ultimately family will be play because they can't play role now. So they try to do it themselves. But I am talking about people who they don't have the wherewithal, they don't have the knowledge, and they because it's their money, or other matters. I think that she when you look at it at the first point or at the first glance, you would think that carefully, and you're like, yeah, like that kind of thing. Because truth is, somebody will be like, and I will fresh, I will do about toner. But truth is, every lady, if I'm not stretching too much, every lady would want to give birth and want to get up and go be about their business. That is the truth. Just that some people they give birth and they are very weak, or they get, sorry to say, I mean, what and meeting too lazy, or maybe some people cry, they did surgery, so like they are not healed enough to go about their business. But the point is that what will
I'll give more credit to Chairman Chairman.
And the understanding.
Yeah, the understanding.
Yes.
Because some people like Kobichi, like Mrs. J sits home and watch Kendra and Kayla.
Yeah, but you see, that is the man's point of view. How does the woman feel in that situation? Do you think a woman would want to go to school, build their career only to give birth and then that career ends? No. Everybody will want to be about their business, and mind you, once you give birth, it doesn't mean that life has ended. Yeah. The child must eat, so you have to go out. So me, I think she has done well for herself, because what are we working for? To be able to make their money. So if she's got the chance to make the money, and even as the point where most women, Mr. Man, when I joined this industry, you told me that more women are not in the industry because of availability. What is availability, or what makes a woman not available? Pregnancy, or but if somebody can be consistent even when they are pregnant, make money. I know she works with the brand Simply Snack or something. You get it. Even when you are the most weak as a woman, or you are making the money, come on.
You are. Okay, Mr. J. The last
Sit at home.
Mrs. G. Let me finish then. I have my last batch of questions to do.
Good feeling too. To meet. First of all, she's very hard working.
That's true.
And before I come to that, George, George, chief of Yellow fame. George, yes. So George was my junior in the university, really back. So we're the same hostel. So anytime the series is out, YOLO, so I'll move to George's room, and George will give me the series when it's out. And other times when I have to sit with him in the room.
Don't find him. Go ahead.
Sometimes I'll sit with George, then we'll watch YOLO together. And your role, anytime. Okay, like these girls, like that determination.